If ChatGPT is showing a 502 bad gateway error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually temporary, and in most cases, you can get back to chatting in just a few minutes. We'll go through the most effective fixes first, including waiting and trying again, refreshing the page, regenerating your response, starting a new chat, checking your internet connection, and disabling VPN if needed. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's get into it. First and most importantly, wait 1 to 5 minutes and then try your request again. A 502 error often happens when the server is overloaded or having a temporary problem, so the simplest fix is sometimes the best one. While you wait, you can also open status.openai.com to check whether OpenAI is reporting any current service issues. If there's an outage or degraded performance, that may explain the error and you may just need to wait until things are restored. Next, refresh the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and R, and on Mac, use the refresh option in your browser. This can clear a temporary loading issue and reconnect your session properly. If the error appears after sending a prompt, click Regenerate Response and try the same prompt again. Sometimes the request fails on the first attempt, but works perfectly on the second try. If that still doesn't help, start a new chat. Old sessions can sometimes become unstable or get stuck, especially if the conversation has been open for a while or contains a lot of content. A fresh chat can often resolve the problem immediately. Now check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot if possible, or restart your router to make sure your connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can make the ChatGPT page fail to load correctly or trigger gateway errors. Finally, disable your VPN if you have one running. VPNs can sometimes cause unstable routing, delayed requests, or connection problems that lead to 502 errors. Turn it off temporarily and try ChatGPT again without it. In most cases, one of these quick fixes will solve the issue and get you back on track. If the problem keeps happening, the issue is more likely on the server side than on your device. So checking the status page and trying again later is the best next step. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.